Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well and everything is okay. So let's start the video with the no betting tips and goals. Okay, the first match is Atalanta versus Como. It will be this: Atalanta will win the match. The other match is Lecce versus Sassuolo Calcio. This match is gonna be total over 1.5 goals. Okay, the third match is Torino versus Empoli. Torino will score at least 1.5 goals, or if you want to make it even more secure, just play it over 1 goal. The most important thing is to Torino scores the goal. The other match is gonna be here in La Liga, Spanish League, Valencia versus Osasuna. This match is gonna be double chance, either the first or the second team will win. Both of them are looking for win. Sevilla versus Real Valladolid. This match is going to be like this. Real Valladolid will score at least 1 goal. If they score only 1 goal, you will be refunded. The other match is Real Madrid versus Deportivo Alaves. We all know the result, that Real Madrid will win, but we have to play this in first half. It will be at least 1 goal, but play over 0.5 goals. Okay, match is going to be like this: Atalanta versus Como, Lecce versus Sassuolo Calcio, Torino versus Empoli, Valencia versus Osasuna, Sevilla versus Real Madrid, and Real Madrid versus Deportivo Alaves. 6 events. So we'll add another 3 matches, and they will be like this from the other leagues. For example, like this: England Premier League will be like this until 28th now. But let's look for the League Cup. Yes, this is it. Chelsea versus Barrow. In first half, Chelsea will score at least 1 goal. The other match is Manchester City versus Watford. Manchester City will score over 2 goals. And don't forget this: Aston Villa versus Wycombe Wanderers. Aston Villa will win the match. Okay, if you play these events with at least $150, you will get $3,812.62. But as I told you before, just play it, please. Each 3 matches in a separated ticket. Take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.